moreover drug abuse. So you are all here with lots of dreams, so that you can complete a degree in time with high CGPA and to get placed in very good company with very good CTC, and after that you may go to higher studies and all. So for that, the base or our moral or our we should have certain discipline need to be followed. So in that, we have to concentrate on drug abuse. We are all aware of drug. It is nothing but medicine. When we consume it in a legal way or in a limited or whatever doctor prescribed, then it gives its result. If you use more than the prescription or if you use illegally, so those are called drug abuse, and we need to be aware of that. It is very much important because whoever get addicted to the drug are majority of students community only. So we should know what are all the drugs available and what happens if you consume it, and when you will come to know that you are addicted to the drugs, and what make you to addiction and how to come out of that. Let us discuss those things in this session. Okay, myself Dr. Venkatesh from the Department of Mechanical Engineering, and I am part of Anti-Drug Committee. So, it's like this. So you are all seeing the news, okay, like that much of heroin seized. Recently in the airport, 2 crore rupees of drugs has been seized, and NCB, that is Narcotic Bureau, okay, committee will take care of that. And it is not only causes your mental or physical status, it also is illegal from the part of the law. Okay. So we should aware of the things which is going around. Okay. Next. See, these are all the most commonly abused drugs. Abused in the sense overly used, like the benzodiazepines, alcohol, marijuana, cocaine, heroin, and meth, tobacco, inhalants, and some prescription opioids, and some synthetic cannabinoids. Okay, let us see these in detail. What are those and how it affects the human body? The first one, which is benzodiazepines, which is also called benzo. So these are the drugs used to give for anxiety disorders and alcohol withdrawal management and panic disorder, seizures, and so on. This is the medicine prescribed by the doctor. So without prescription of the doctor, one cannot consume this one. And even if doctor prescribes, whatever is prescribed, like one per day or one per week, whatever it is, we have to consume in that order only. And once it ends, you should not repeat it. If you repeat that one, then it will become abuse. Then it will have problems in your body. Like it ask you to take again and again, and it gives certain kick so that some dopamine will be released, which is the happiness hormone, and which creates a problem. Next, alcohol use disorder. So alcohol everybody knows. Okay. So the problem with those consumption of alcohol are craving alcohol. It means your body asks for alcohol again and again, and you have a relationship with your parents and siblings, friends. Okay, so it will ask you to detach from those relationships. If your friend asks you to come to a party or some movie, so just because you need alcohol, you may ask him to go alone, and you will be in alcohol. And high tolerance for alcohol. To start with, you may start with a small glass. Okay. Later, as you keep on drinking, while consuming the alcohol, one it will become two, and two may not be sufficient, it will become three, four, and so on. It will keep on increasing, and then you will find the very difficulty to come out of the symptom. So daily you will get craving for the same, and then you will try to quit, and it is difficult to quit the same. And then once you drink, you will plan for next drink. When will I get another drink? Tomorrow or day after tomorrow or morning, like that. You will plan for the next drink. So please avoid taking the first sip of the alcohol. When you take first sip, it will last for second one. If you take first drink, it will last for second drink, and so on. So next, marijuana. It's a cannabis. It is basically it's a plant-based drug. Okay, so called ganja or weed, whatever it is. Okay, so it is taken in the form of a smoke. Okay, so along with the cigarette, usually guys will take that one. Okay. So in the form of a smoke, and if you take that one, anxiety will increase, and you will get a sleeping disorder. It's called insomnia, and you will get some respiratory problem, breathing issues. And so, along with that, you have some legal issues as well. Consuming marijuana is illegal. When you want to consume it, you should buy it. When you buy or sell the marijuana, then it's an offense. You will be end up in jail. You have to face the consequences. Please take care of that. So, next one is cocaine. So it is available in the form of a fine powder, you see it there. Okay. So directly guys will inhale the same powder, and the problem comes out of that consuming cocaine, thinking about it constantly. Always when you are in a class or when you are in a movie, when you are with your friends, when you are with your parents, okay, your mind keeps on thinking the same. When you will get it again, when you will get it again. Okay. And you will miss your work because of that use. Your work in the sense studying. You may have your internals, you may have your exams, okay. Your mind will tell, will take next time, will take next internal, we'll ask that for the additional test, we'll ask supplementary, we'll go for makeup, we'll go for fast track. So your mind will give excuses to do the work. And not only that, your money. So money is involved in this, it is not come for cheap. First time somebody may offer you for free, your friend, or your senior or your roommate. But not again and again. You have to sell lot out of money out of that, and it is a very big problem for a student. Not only for a student, for anybody who is earning. For them also, it costs a lot, and you will feel anxiety without it. When you don't consume cocaine, you will get tensed, you will get anxiety. So it will stretch you to get the cocaine again and again. So heroin is also a powder, and they will melt the powder and they will take in the form of an injection. And as it will take in the form of injection, it leads to various medical disorders. Like it can be HIV, or it can be sleep issues, or you will get a lot of sweat. Even in a winter, you will sweat a lot. And then some heart issues will be there, some blockage in the heart. And again, sleep disorder like nausea. So please take care of this drug as well. So one more drug is meth. This is nothing but a. It is available in the form of a crystal. Okay, that too, especially guys and girls who are into parties. Okay, so they need high energy. Okay, all night they need to stretch, dancing, singing, and partying. So ordinary food will not give you that much of energy. You get a lot of energy. So most of the guys will advise to take this drug. Okay, please take care of this. If you consume more, your teeth will become like that, and your skin over a period of time will go for a task. At the age of 20, you look like 40. At the age of 40, you look like 60. Okay, so your behavioral change will be there, and physical change like weight loss, dental problem, skin problem. Okay, so take care of this, and out of which you will get hallucinations, memory loss. Okay, and you will not able to take decision. Okay, so decision making capacity will be lost. Okay, please take care of this one. Keep these things in your mind, and partying especially. Okay, so our body says when we need to stop. Okay, you have to stop at that time. No need to prolong. Okay, if somebody says take this, your energy will boost. You have to say no, not required. It's enough. I have partied for 1 hour or 2 hours. It's fine. I no need to extend that one. Okay, take care of that. And smoking. So one of the most common issue nowadays the youth are facing, and addiction of tobacco. The two nicotine will face lot of issues. You see there the problem with various cancers. You may get lung cancer or blood cancer called leukemia, or stomach may get trouble, kidney cancer, and bladder will create a problem, and various chronic diseases. Chronic diseases in the sense permanent. Once you get the disease, you will not come out of that. Okay, easily you will not get the medicine to complete recovery, like the stroke. Okay, once you get the stroke, it is not easy to come out of that. And then blindness, gum infection. Okay, and artery in the heart, it may get ruptured. Okay, and pneumonia. So there are various chronic diseases you get out of smoking. Please be away from smoking. Take care of that. So next, along with those drugs, we have certain inhalants. Okay, aerosols like paint and hairspray, deodorant, computer cleaner. Okay, so if you consume those for a long, see, the thin paint is made, okay, it is to look walls or something better. Okay, if you consume that one, if you consume, and it will initially your you may get certain kick, okay, and it will ask again and again to take the same. Similarly, certain solvents like paint thinner, okay, and pen tip ink, okay, ball pen ink, or gases in the sense whatever like later we use the gas pump, CNG or LPG, those gases like nitrous oxide, propane, butane and all used for the spray. Okay, and certain leather cleaner, room deodorant, those things. Okay, so if you take those things, you will get addicted to that. Okay, so if you inhale those things, certain behavioral change will occur, and it is restricted. See, it will see, it will show paint or stain on the marked face, fingers, or your cloth. Regular sitting with a marker or pen. See, this is the indication. If somebody is sitting with a pen and is inhaling the tip of the pen, it means he has some problem. Avoid that one. Initially, you get interesting to smell that one, marker especially. Okay, so avoid and please come out of that. Okay, it leads to a problem. Okay. And opioids. So these are the powerful pain killers. These things will be advised by the doctor, especially dentist or post-operation or surgery. Okay, so that is need to be consumed in the prescribed time. Like it can be for a day or 2 days, or maximum if it's a surgery for a week, they may suggest. After that, no need to extend the same. Okay, so if you take higher doses for a prolonged time, and it will cause a problem. Okay. So neglect that one. If one of your loved ones doing that one, please advise not to do the same. Okay. Please consult your doctor if you have any problem like pain or whatever it is. So next, some synthetic cannabinoids. Synthetic because cannabinoids are plant-based like marijuana, ganja, and all. Okay, it's very costly. And what the drug smugglers are doing is they will do it synthetic, artificial. So it is man-made, chemical, and it is available for cheap rate. like it is there in Gutka, Kaini, and in some schools and college places they will sell in the form of a chewing gum, chocolates and all. Okay, so if it gives some kick or it gives some ecstasy or it gives some, if you find that happiness if you eating that, okay, please avoid that one. And please inform your teacher or the committee so that we are getting this one in some place, we can avoid that one. Okay. So, without knowing this addiction will start. These are the reasons to start the addiction. Like as a curiosity. We'll get curious. What is that? How it will be? Okay, what happens once if I consume? Okay, let me see that one. So because of curiosity, most of the guys will start like smoking or drinking or consuming other marijuana or other drugs. Okay, because of curiosity it will start. Don't get the curiosity in negative aspects. Okay, and peer pressure. Your roommates, your classmates, or your colleague may ask you to take one puff. To take one puff, nothing will happen. To take one peg, nothing will happen. To take one injection, nothing will happen. To take one chewing gum, nothing will happen. So like that, they will pressure. Okay. So don't. You should say no, and you should learn to say no. If you say no in many things, most of the problems will solve in your life, not only in drug abuse. So many guys will hesitate to say no for your peers or your seniors. Okay. If you don't want to take, say no. If you don't want to go to a movie, say no. If you don't want to go to some place, say no. It is your life and your mercy. Okay. Don't become prey to others. Okay. And myth. Like if you take once, nothing will happen. Okay. So whatever service told are all bullshit. It is not like that. I have seen many are taking. Okay, they are good only. They are macho. Nothing will happen. Okay. So don't believe those myths. Okay. It is nothing like that. Definitely you have a problem once you consume any of these drugs. And imitation. Like you are following like advertisements. Your movie stars will say, okay, so Vimal, Gutka and all, okay. So they will say if you take this one, you will get energy and you can jump from mountain, you will do that, this and all. So there is nothing like that. Don't imitate anybody, any celebrity. So they are doing that one in a studio and for money purpose. Money is involved in that. They are getting money to do that ad. So don't imitate anybody. Not only stars or roommates or anybody, okay, it's your life, you enjoy it. And to feel good, to feel the experience, who it is, and some sensation you need to get. So for that, many will try. And if you have some depression or anxiety, so many your friends will suggest, so just to come out of that one day problem, you will end up with a daily problem. Okay. And ensure that whatever anxiety or worry or fear, whatever tension you have, you can come out with spending time with your friends, family, and watching a good movie. Okay, so not with the drugs. These are temporary solutions, not a permanent solution. Okay, and you may feel if I use occasionally, nothing will happen. If I can use once in a week, once in a month, while partying I can use, nothing will happen. Smoke, so it is not like that. If you start like that, okay, next day it will ask again, give me that one. Otherwise your dopamine will not place there. So you will not get happiness in any way. There are hundreds of things that give happiness in your world. Okay, you will not get in 99 ways. You will get only in 100th way, which is drug. Please don't fall prey to that. So when you will get to know that you are addicted, these are the symptoms, like your behavior will change. You want to spend time alone, you don't want to mix with your friend. When your friend calls, you will say excuse, no, you go, I will be alone, I will come later. And then you will lose interest in your hobbies. Like if you are a very good sportsman or a dancer, okay, you will lose interest in those. Not gradually, not suddenly you will not lose the interest. Gradually, if daily you are going for a football or a dance practice or a swimming practice, okay, you will skip those things. gradually you will lose interest in that and you will use those things. And then not taking care of appearances. Means you will not go for haircut, you will not go for making your beard, okay, and those things will happen, and you will not won't wear your deodorants or perfume, okay, and you are not interested in wearing good clothes, shirts, pants or shoes, okay, and then you won't get sleep sometime, and you'll sleep for a whole night, and more than you will wake up at 12 noon. Those things will happen, and then you will not taste food, you may not feel like eating, and you may feel like eating more and more. Okay, so those are all the problems one can observe. If you observe those things in your roommates or your friends, please counsel him or take him to the committee member or talk to them, whatever happening. Okay, so please ask them to come out of that, and then some physical changes will also happen, like your eyes will become blood red, okay, and keep on falling ill, like your body temperature may increase, okay, weight changes will be there, suddenly weight gain will be there, mood swings will be there, and then you will get irritated to small things, okay, simply for no reason you will get irritated, simply for if your friend asks you to come for a coffee or a tea or to have a vada in the hotel, you will get irritated, okay, those things will happen, okay, so then what you will do, you will have carvings to take drugs every day, okay, and you want to keep this all the time with you in your pocket or in your bag. Whenever is required, you will go to washroom and then you will consume it, okay, and even if you can't afford it, you want to buy it, like you will, for that you will do cheating, or you may steal money, or you may do some illegal activity to buy that one, okay, like that the things will happen, okay. So if you know that I am addicted or my friend is addicted to drugs, if you observe those symptoms, then there are definitely way to come out of that, okay. If you have watched movie Sanju, have you seen Sanju? Sanju movie nodidiranappa? Who is actor? Ranbir Kapoor. It's a story of Sanjay Dutt. There, how Sanjay Dutt's father, okay, struggles to take him out of that addiction. Okay, it's a very wonderful story. You have to see that if you have not seen it. Okay, like that, there are certain things if you follow, definitely you can promote of, like education and awareness. So you should know what are those and what happens if you consume that one. So consequences, if you know, definitely you can come out of that. And with the peer support, like I said, your friends, family, okay, your colleagues, you should take help of them, okay. Then definitely you can, once you share your problem with your peers, half of the thing is solved. Because if you keep it in you only, then it will keep increasing. It's better to come out of that. If you think that I am addicted, then half of the thing get it resolved. Okay, you should convince yourself that I have a problem. So it is high time to come out of that. It is better to talk with my friend. Okay, then things will be fine. And there is a, if it is more than that, still your friend cannot solve your problem. Even if he's counseling or somebody is counseling will not help, then doctors are there. Mental health services are there to help you. Okay, you can visit the doctor, and there are centers. So they will definitely help you to come out of that. And moreover, you should take help of the parent and the community involvement. So without your parents' support or family support, you cannot do anything. So definitely they will help you to come out of the situation. Okay, it's better late than never. Finally, say no to drugs. So this is the anti-ragging committee we had in our college. Dr. N. Rajeshwari, Department of Biotechnology, Dr. Vidya, Department of Physics, Dr. Dev Kumar, Department of Biotechnology, and myself, Dr. Venkatesh Shanke. Thank you. Any questions you have? Anything? See, it's a most common problem everywhere. Any college if you take Bangalore or anywhere, okay, so this type of problem will be there. If you are aware of these things, then definitely you can come out of that. Okay. So most of the problem will cause because of ignorance. Okay. So if you know certain things, you cannot fall prey to their things. Any questions?